Hello everyone, this is Valencia from Balloons and Business, and today I'm going to show you how I made these really cute floating teddy balloon centerpieces that I made for a client's gender reveal. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using light blue Calisan brand balloons in 12-inch and 5-inch, and baby pink Tough Tex balloons in 12-inch and 5 inches. I'm also going to be using some 5-inch chrome balloons. Now, I got these off of Amazon, which I do not recommend, but this was a last minute order. They literally called in like a couple days before, and I ran out of my chrome balloons, which I usually get from Calisan, but I'm using these. And the thing with Amazon balloons is a lot of the sellers are like kind of like the low grade, low quality Chinese sellers, but I got my chrome pink and blue balloons from Amazon. And then I got my stand from Amazon, which I really like. It's made out of PCV pipe and it's very secure. And I filled the base with water, and you definitely want to do that before you start making your centerpiece. So I'm going to be blowing up 6 pairs of light blue and 6 pairs of baby pink balloons. So again, these are the Calisan brand light blue balloons. I'm not a big fan of them. They're coming out rather coney. You want to make sure the balloons are round as possible. That's going to make the centerpiece look the best it can look. Now I'm just going to tie the balloons into pairs, or what I call dupes. Then I'm going to use a hand pump to blow up the 5-inch chrome balloons, and I'm going to tie them into dupes as well. So I'm gonna blow up about 6 to 7. I think I blew up like 7 or 8 pairs of the chrome balloons, 7 or 8 pairs of the blue, and 7 to 8 pairs of the pink. And notice how coney these balloons are coming out. Look at that one. These are just not a good brand of balloons. Again, these are all from Amazon. I would not recommend. I normally get mine from Calisan, or you can get the Qualitex brand, Sempertex, any of the Texas, Tough Tex, but these Amazon brand balloons, they're something else. So I'm having to round them out, take some air out, and try to get them as round as possible. And then I also did about 6 or 7 pairs of the light pink and the baby blue. So I'm going to take my pairs of 12 inches and I am going to twist them together. Notice that where I'm holding the balloon, that's going to be the center of the balloon top. And once I twist them all together, I'm going to start shuffling the balloons together to round it out. I want it to be as round as possible. See? You want to make it like a nice little round ball. So twist them together and shuffle them together until you get them as round as possible. Then I'm going to take a balloon and put it on top of the stand to protect the top of the centerpiece from popping. I'm going to find the center in the center of the balloon ball, and I'm going to put it on top of the stand. Then I'm going to take 2 pairs of the 12-inch light blue balloons, and I blew them up a little bit smaller than the ones on top, and I'm going to put them on the base of the balloon stand and twist them to keep them secure. And I'm going to take the 2 pairs of the 5-inch chrome balloons. I'm going to tie a 260 Q balloon to them. And I'm going to put them on top of the light blue 12-inch balloons. And notice I'm putting the balloons, the 5-inch balloons, in between the larger light blue balloons. And I'm just going to twist that 260 Q around both sets of balloons to make sure they're nice and secure. So I noticed that the top of the balloon centerpiece was starting to slide down, so I decided to get some duct tape and use that to attach the top of the balloon centerpiece to the actual balloon stand. So now I'm going to take my chrome dupes and I'm going to tie them together with the 260Q balloons. And I am going to attach them onto the top of the centerpiece by twisting the 260s around the balloons to fill in the spaces on the balloon ball. And you're just twisting the 260s around and just filling in the gaps. So this is what it looks like so far, with all of the dupes attached to the top of the centerpiece. Tried and true. So I'm going to attach the teddy bear to the centerpiece, and I got the teddy bear from Walmart. I'm going to take a rubber band, wrap it around the teddy bear's leg, then wrap that rubber band around one of the smaller balloons at the base of the centerpiece. You never left my side. We just keep getting better, regardless of the time. Then I'm going to take some ribbon and I'm going to tie around the teddy bear's arm. And then wrap it around one of the balloons at the top of the centerpiece. And I'm going to do this with several pieces of ribbon until it looks like the teddy bear is holding the balloons at the top of the centerpiece. We got that history. We got the sweetest thing. We got the sweetest thing. Tonight, we ain't no fairy tale, but we got more than a silver lining to hold on when things get bad. And every day, I can't help but seeing you, a heaven on earth, a dream that became true. Together we are greater. Now notice how the teddy bear is still slumped over. So I'm going to take another rubber band, a really big one, and I'm going to tie it around the teddy bear's neck and then tie the other side of the rubber band around the pole of the centerpiece. And that's going to keep the teddy bear sitting upward. So this is the finished product of my gender reveal floating teddy centerpieces. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you like what you saw, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any questions or even tips or tricks that would help me out, I'm definitely open to the feedback. So if you like what you saw and you want to see more, please subscribe and you'll get notifications whenever my videos come out. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.